Find the center of your rope by placing the ends together and following it out to the center. Wrap the loop, center of the rope, around the wrist. Feed the total length of the rope through. Place 2 fingers on the wrist under the tie, creating a gap. Wrap the rope around the wrist 2 to 3 times, I prefer 3 times. Then feed the rope through the first loop that the tie created. Not the center loop, but the double reverse loop. Pull all the rope through, pulling it in the opposite direction. This is what is going to cause the knot to never tighten on itself. Now take the remaining rope and make another small loop, feeding it through the gap from the side of the wrist towards the hand. After you have the loop through, take the remaining rope over the knot, feed it through the loop, and pull to tighten. This will keep the tension off of the wrist and only on the knot. Then tie the rope to a post using a square knot or a bow tie. Never tie anything around someone's neck. Never leave a submissive alone. Periodically check for numbness, tingling, or discoloration of the skin. And always have something at the ready that can cut your submissive loose. Bandage or EMT scissors are perfect for this because they are designed to not injure the skin. If you are not willing to cut your expensive ropes, you should use cheaper ones or switch to Velcro. A panicked submissive should be immediately put at ease by cutting her free.